He is suffering from knee joint pains, unable to walk, pain, and also there is a problem in upstairs while staring up.
Since from last 12 years.
Since last 10 to 12 years, he is suffering. And after that, we came to know that Dr. Pramod Bhor is one of the leading knee joint surgery in Navi Mumbai. So I know about Dr. Pramod Bhor also before also. So we contacted Dr. Pramod Bhor and he told, you come, we will do both the knee operations in robotic format. So we came, did operation 3 days back on Saturday, 12th November 2022. And the operation is successful. And after that, after operation, on that day only in evening, Dr. Pramod Bhor told that 4 steps you have to take little bit. So, and on that day only, Dr. Pramod Bhor walked to my dad. Patient walked for 7 to 8 steps.